Hi, everyone. This is Brooks Thompson here from Telaid. I am the Director of Emerging Technology and Partnerships, part of the Solutions team. And today we get to welcome Velasea team here. Very excited to have them on this opportunity to talk and to go through some questions. Let me introduce Tom and Phil.
Tom Larson. I'm the president of Velasea. Been in the security space since about 1993. Been doing the hardware for the industry and other capacities and other manufacturers for about the last 20 years.
I'm Phil Luongo. I'm the senior account manager over here at Velasea. That is Telaid's direct main point of contact here for support. Been in the industry for about 10 years, solely focused on the hardware side of the business and bringing hardware solutions to the market for security integrators and integrated software vendors. Great question, Brooks. The partnership came about between Velasea and Telaid. Tom and Mike Corcoba actually had a long history of working together in their past life. Now, Velasea and Telaid started working together because of strategic alignment within the market. Both companies have had market expansion with their customers and then their customer demands. And with all three of those, Velasea and Telaid strategically aligned to bring hardware solutions to their customer bases.
The partnership between Telaid and Velasea really started even before I was at Velasea. It goes back about a dozen years with Mike over from Telaid and servicing and supporting the Telaid business, through that business. And then as we launched the Velasea business a number of years ago, it was just a natural fit for Telaid and Velasea to come together to service the market. So Telaid and Velasea have gone to market together to help solve the customer's problems. I want to answer that in a couple different ways. Rewind about 2 years ago, Velasea was here building, validating, testing different hardware solutions to support different AI softwares and video management softwares to support the Telaid customer base. Now there's today. Today is a whole new world. Hardware costs are skyrocketing. We're seeing the more and more corporations are forcing their different business units to, I want to embrace AI. How can we get more out of our camera systems, not just for security, but also for business intelligence? We're working with, tighter budgets. And also the big thing is the lead time of all this hardware. So when Telaid gets into a large scale project, let's say for a retailer of 1,500 sites, the challenges are the hardware, if we bought on day one, will be 20, 30% more money by the time we get to store 1,000. And these are just really large things that we have to overcome. Is the supply chain. How do we engineer the hardware to do its workload, but also have it to be where it's cost effective for these customers? So it's a whole new world today. And I believe that this is the reason why this partnership continues to get stronger, is because we complement each other and we ultimately help Telaid's customers with a total solution that comes in at a good value, and we deliver it, throughout the whole project. There's really only one way to battle this, and it is to stock. It is to proactively stock the gear, have it ready, and then go ahead and configure it, image it, and ship it, and then tech support it. It's the only way we're going to get stabilization in pricing for the next 18 to 24 months. This just-in-time delivery of computer hardware that used to exist a couple of years ago doesn't work right now in this environment.
Telaid is one of the integrators who's on the forefront of bringing next generation technology to the market for their customers. And with that, there's a lot that goes on in the back end in terms of putting these solutions together from a supply chain standpoint, collaboration, and then validation standpoint as well for those solutions. So first, Telaid and Velasea will identify the problem that a customer is either looking to solve or a solution that they want to bring to their site. And then we both will work together to validate that solution and then bring it to the market so there's no issues during deployment.
We're just going to be there to support, help Telaid, and obviously network with the Telaid customers and explain what we're doing and how we can help them execute their projects, talk about what's next with the cameras, meaning what we can do, and One thing that I know me and you have a monthly meeting that it's just purely to talk about tech. As new AI softwares come out, is it applicable to what Telaid's doing or Telaid's customers? And I think that's what we want to share with it. We want also the customers to explain what their challenges are, where they're seeing loss, or what they can utilize cameras for to be more efficient. And it's really just a great opportunity for us to get to know your customer base.